70% of retail traders lose money within 90 days. That stat isn't to scare you, but to stop you becoming another headline. I started with $500 in 2017, blew up my first account, then rebuilt it to 6 figures. How? By sticking to 2 simple paths I'm about to hand you. No Lambo promises, no Moonboy slang, just the starter map I wish someone had shown me. Welcome to Ghost Wallet. Got 20 minutes? You'll know if you're the fast-moving trader glued to charts or the chill, set and forget investor. Both make money, one fits your personality. Let's find your fit now. Section 1, Active Trading, the speed lane. Active trading? It's a job. You clock in, clock out, paid for skill, not luck. Beginners often confuse day trading, swing trading, and scalping. Day trading means opening and closing the same coin within one day, hunting tiny 6 to 10% moves. Use red-green candlesticks and 2 indicators, RSI below 30 for oversold, Bollinger Band squeezes for breakouts. Always start with $100 positions. A 5% gain is $5, a 5% loss won't make you cry. Crucially, set a stop loss 2% under your entry, no exceptions. Journal every trade, date, coin, entry, exit, reason. After 30 trades, you'll see your patterns. That journal beats any paid signal group. Can't stomach hourly charts? Bump to swing trading, hold 3 to 10 days, catch 20% swing a month, ignore micro noise. Same rules, small size, stop loss, journal. Scalping? Skip it, fees will eat your lunch until you master order book depth. Section 2, Long-term investing, the chill lane. Most crypto millionaires. They didn't day trade. They bought, held, and added on dips. The magic phrase, dollar cost averaging, DCA. Pick 2 coins you believe will exist in 5 years, Bitcoin and Ethereum are your starter pack. Buy the same dollar amount every Friday at noon, religiously, regardless of price. 10, 50, 500, amount doesn't matter, consistency does. Over the last 4 years, a $50 weekly DCA into Bitcoin turned 12,000 invested into 38,000, and you slept 8 hours every night. Diversify, but cap any single altcoin at 5% of your total stack so a rug pull won't torch your whole garden. Store coins on a hardware wallet, write the seed phrase on metal, not paper, and ignore daily news. Your only job is to not press sell for at least 1 full halving cycle, roughly 4 years. That's it. Seriously. If this is clicking, smash that subscribe. You won't miss the next video where I break down exactly how I set stop losses on Bybit. It's free, and helps feed this channel to beginners needing real talk, not hype. Section 3, Picking your path. Time for honest self-reflection. 2 questions. 1. Do you enjoy screens, or do they drain you? 2. Do you need this money in 6 months, or can you park it for years? If screens plus need soon, start paper trading the active route for 30 days. Once your win rate tops 55%, then flip to real cash. If no screens plus long time, open an exchange account today, set that weekly DCA autopilot, and close the app till next birthday. Still torn? Split your capital 50-50, half for weekly DCA, half for a micro trading account. After 3 months, you'll know which side of your brain dances better. Section 4, Common rookie traps. Let's talk pitfalls. Trap 1, leverage. 10 to 1 leverage turns a 5% dip into a 50% loss, kicking you out. Stick to spot trades until profitable for a full year. Trap 2, signal groups charging $10 a month. If their calls were gold, they'd trade their own money, not sell signals. Trap 3, ignoring taxes. Every profitable trade is taxable. Set aside 25% of gains in stable coins so April doesn't blindside you. Trap 4, FOMO into green candles. If a coin already pumped 20% today, the risk-reward sucks, Wait for a pullback or find another setup. Memorize these 4, paste them on your wall. You'll already be ahead of 90% of traders who learn them the expensive way. Ready to start? Link below gets you $10 free with your first 100 on Coinbase. Full disclosure, it's an affiliate link, costs nothing, helps pump out honest tutorials. In all, making money with crypto isn't guessing the next dog-themed moonshot. It's choosing the lane matching your lifestyle and staying disciplined. Trade small, journal every move, let winners run. Or automate weekly buys, store offline, and chill for 4 years. Both paths work, but only one fits you. Pick it today, take the first step tomorrow, and I'll see you in the next video where we turn theory into live trades.